It is December 5th, so I think it's time that we finally put a set of winter tires on my 340, except they're not going on these stock rims. With my summers are gonna be coming off because we have a forged set of wheels in this box for my 340. I honestly thought because I'm X-Drive, I could get by with summers for at least most of the winter. Obviously I can't drive through crazy snowfalls, but these PS4S's failed me the other night. Oh my God, I literally can't stop. What the? As you can see, I was only going 47 kilometers an hour, so I was under the speed limit. As soon as I tapped the brakes, it started sliding. I was pumping the brakes, didn't matter. Downshifting, didn't matter. Went right through the red light. But these Continental Viking Contact 8s are gonna be coming in handy. I heard that Canada is one of the only places that really salts their roads like crazy. Let me know if where you guys live, there's winter, do you guys use salt? Because it completely ruins the look of the cars. But hold on, let me get this cleaned up real quick. Oh yeah, that's way better. I don't know how long it's gonna stay clean for, but let's take the new setup. Oh, I almost leaked it. Let's take the new setup over to Local Tire Guys to get these mounted and balanced, and then you'll be looking at the best winter daily ever. Okay, the car is pretty damn full right now. I'm just missing 2 tires, but we got 4 rims and 2 winter tires in here. That's why I call it a daily. So this is my new winter setup. They are some forged chrome wheels from E6 Forge, which is the same company that made the wheels on my M2. And I know what you're probably thinking, dude, these are some TEs, because they're not TE37s, but I wanted that style, I wanted that look. I did not want to spend 5 grand on actual TE37s, but I love this look. If you guys remember a while back, if you watch my short form content, I test fitted a set of actual TEs that were from Victor's M3, and I just love the way that they looked on this car. I know there's some speculation on running JDM wheels on German cars, but I don't know, I love it. I hope you guys like it too. I think this looks really, really cool. And if you don't like it, well, then you're in luck, because this is just my winter setup, which means I'm gonna be having another set of custom wheels made springtime as it comes around for the new season. As I said before, we got the Continental Viking Contact 8s on here. I did 225, 45, 18 in the front, as it's an 18 by 8 wheel there, and this is a 245, 40, 18 rear, 18 by 8.5 in the back. Pretty thin setup, but it is for winter. So again, you want a thinner tire for more grip on the snow. I was always gonna do 18s. I don't love the look of big rims and thin tires. I like a meaty setup as my M2 has. The more that I walk around the car and look at it, I do feel like I need more silver or chrome to match the wheels. Like the side marker on the mirror looks good. I don't know if any BMW or at least F-Series comes with chrome trim. I think chrome trim would look pretty sick with this. And then of course, some chrome grills would definitely go crazy. Right now, the car is kind of equipped for black wheels, but I don't want to do black wheels. They just blend in. This is more fun. But now, aesthetically, is the car done? I don't know. I do actually have, this is a bit of a secret, don't tell anyone. I have a carbon hood coming, and I've also got a carbon trunk coming to replace this black plastic lip. Then I think the car will probably be done aesthetically. There's something else I don't think I've shared with you guys yet, though. Under the hood, we have a Wagner tuning powder-coated intake manifold with my name laser engraved on it. I absolutely love it. The engine bay is also probably complete. All we're missing is the top mount, but we're gonna have to settle for the Dynamic AutoWorks Ultraflow 6969 sitting down there. And speaking of the turbo, I think Dave Shoop has pretty much said we are wrapped up with the tuning process on this thing. It has been a complete roller coaster with adding new parts, logs not reading right, bad weather. I mean, as you can see on the floor, we have snow, it's been wet, it's like -5 right now, my hands are freezing. Not the best conditions for tuning. We had to retune with the intake manifold, we had to retune when I put the Nostrum Stage 1 injectors in, but I think for the most part, we're done. I've been enjoying the car, I've been beating on it a little bit. I haven't done quarter mile or 0 to 60 times, again, because the weather has not really permitted for that. I wanna put a mic in the engine bay and give you guys some turbo noises. I don't know what it's gonna sound like, but we'll also put a mic back at the exhaust, get some cool driving clips. Let's go. Okay, I drove on a little patch of snow to film a TikTok, but look how good this thing looks actually surrounded by snow. Oh my goodness. We're gonna test out the all-wheel drive and these winters. Let's see if I can get up this hill. I have no one to film for me, so I'm gonna have to mount the camera there. Oh, it's too easy. What the heck? I did not think it was gonna be that easy. Before we go any further, I gotta interrupt myself for this video sponsor, ESR. This is their wireless charging magnetic phone mount with this adjustable arm so it'll fit and adapt to any vent style. You just plug in your cigarette lighter, then you throw your MagSafe phone right on. Boom, look at that. Charging right away, 25-watt fast charger with, it's got a built-in fan here to cool the phone down if anything starts to overheat, so you're not gonna worry about that. Charging nice and safely. And if you're worried about it falling off while you're driving from bumps or anything like that, this thing ain't going nowhere. It'll rotate, but it will not knock off. I mean, how hard is a bump gonna be to do any of that? Makes it super easy when you get in your car, you just prop it up on the magnetic mount. You don't have to plug it in, it's charging, it's accessible. Not that you should be on your phone while you're driving, but you get what I'm saying. If you wanna pick up your own today, you can go to the link in my description and pick up yours right now. But let's get back to the video. We're testing out some mic spots in the engine bay for turbo noises, so it's not just ear piercing for you guys. Let's move this around a little bit. The injectors might be too loud. We're gonna try it again though. I really want you guys to hear this. Bear with me, you're gonna have to settle for some exhaust sounds and my stupid voice. God, dude, one of the biggest things that I love about this car, it just sounds so good. Oh man. You know what I will say as the only flaw and problem that I have with doing all these mods that I did and still calling this my daily is although this car is very comfortable, I think it's practical, it's pretty reliable so far. The only flaw is the fuel consumption has become atrocious. Like even if you're light-footed and you're not going crazy, oh my gosh. I was hoping there'd be more snow on this road because I want to kind of like see how much this thing spins in the snow on sort of a launch. It spins a little bit, I guess. Some launch control ASMR, perhaps? Okay, I'm gonna try to get a little bit of a pull. Sorry, I'm trying to do what I can with no one here to help me film. I got a mini-ass tripod here set up. Oh my God, you can already see I'm picking up snow, man. I gotta raise the car. I don't wanna lose this front lip. It would literally be easier to raise this car on all four corners than to take this lip off. I mostly just wanted to show you guys the wheels, see how they perform in the snow, even though there's not too much snow to really test it out on, but we got some driving clips. I had fun. The next video, I promise, at least on this car, is going to be going to the dyno and getting some power numbers on pump gas and ethanol, and we will actually do a quarter-mile time, 0 to 60 time, all that good stuff. Again, I just would like the roads to be a little bit more dry so I don't spin, and just to get the most accurate time as possible, because if it's not really fast, I think you guys are gonna clown me for how much work we've done. Again, I'm super happy with how this car's turned out and how it sits right now. I really do mean it when I say I have so much fun driving this car. Like I drive this car more than my M2. I love my M2, but I don't know, it does everything and it checks all the boxes. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which I promise will come out sooner than later.